If your income looks like a roller coaster, you don't have a money problem. You have a system problem. Most people chase opportunities. The top 3% build machines. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down the exact 3-pillar framework that separates people who make money sometimes from people who make money every single month. See the 3 pillars. Skills that pay. Systems that scale. Sustainability that protects. This framework turns chaos into consistent income. Lock these in. We'll break each one down next. Quick context. I've had months where income doubled and the next month it dropped by half. I know exactly what that panic feels like. The shift happened when I stopped grinding harder and started building systems. Now I'm going to show you the same framework. If you want to build consistent income with me, type consistent in the comments right now and hit subscribe. I'm making this a 3-part series and you don't want to miss what's coming. Here's what most people don't understand. Making money and making money consistently are 2 completely different skills. Anyone can land a big client, have a good month, or get a lucky break. But consistency? That's where 95% fail. Because they're thinking in events, not processes. They're chasing transactions instead of building transformations. And they have no systems protecting them when things slow down. Today, you're getting the 3 pillars: skills that pay, systems that scale, and sustainability that protects. Let's go. First pillar, you need a skill the market values consistently, not trendy, not just passion, something people pay for reliably. Here's your filter. 1. Market demand. Is this being paid for right now? Check job boards, freelance sites. Verify, don't guess. 2. Scalability. Can you serve multiple clients or create products? Time for money doesn't scale. 3. Longevity. Will this skill matter in 3 to 5 years? Avoid trends. Focus on fundamentals. Pause here. If the skill you're thinking about doesn't pass all 3, you're building on sand. 3 skills that pass this test every time. Sales and copywriting. Every business needs customers. Forever. If you can write words that convert or sell in conversations, you'll never struggle for work. Video editing and content creation. Content is how businesses communicate now. YouTube, social media, corporate videos, the demand is explosive and growing. Automation and AI workflows. We're in the automation age. If you can solve problems with no-code tools, AI, or light coding, you're in demand. Pick one, not 3. 1. Master it in 90 days. Here's how you go from 0 to paid. Days 130. Consume 2 hours of high-quality content daily. Focus on fundamentals. Complete small practice projects. Days 31 to 60. Offer your service at a reduced rate or free for testimonials. Complete 3 to 5 real projects. Build your portfolio. Days 61 to 90. Launch officially. Reach out to 50 to 100 potential clients. Use your projects as proof. Aim for your first 1,000, real quick. When I started, I had one good month where everything clicked. Then the next month, almost nothing. I realized I had no system bringing clients in consistently. That's pillar 2. If you only remember one thing from this video, it's this. Hard work without systems equals burnout and random revenue. You need to build machines, not just work hard. System 1, client acquisition pipeline. Consistent income needs consistent clients. Here's the non-negotiable. 5 hours per week dedicated to getting new clients. Even when you're busy, especially when you're busy. Pick 2 channels, social media, cold email, networking, content, and dominate them. Build your credibility arsenal. Testimonials, case studies, portfolio. Make buying from you effortless. I learned this the hard way. The moment I added 5 hours of outreach every week, no excuses, the income roller coaster stopped. It became predictable. Create templates for everything you deliver. Step-by-step workflows, checklists. When you systemize delivery, you serve more clients with less stress and higher quality. Every service you offer should have a repeatable process. Document it once, use it forever. New clients cost 5 to 7 times more than keeping existing ones. Monthly check-ins, ongoing value, easy ways to buy again, referral incentives. And here's the unlock. Productize your service. Turn custom work into packages with fixed prices. Create templates or guides you sell while you sleep. This is how you escape trading time for money. Every Friday, review 4 numbers. New leads this week, conversion rate, revenue generated, hours on income-producing activities. What gets measured gets managed. What gets managed gets improved. You can make consistent money and still fail financially. The difference? Sustainability. This is where most people sabotage themselves. They make more, spend more, and end up just as stressed. Rule 1. Multiple income streams. Never depend on one source. The formula. Primary income, 60 to 70% of your total. Secondary income, 20 to 30%. Passive or semi-passive, 10 to 20%. If you're a freelancer, client work is primary, teaching or workshops are secondary, selling templates is passive. Diversification creates resilience. Save 6 months of living expenses as fast as possible. This means you can say no to bad clients, take strategic risks, and not panic during slow months. Start with 1 month, then 2, then 6. Every dollar saved buys you options. No single client should represent more than 30% of your income. One loss shouldn't destroy you. Diversify your client base like you diversify investments. First of every month, 30-minute ritual. Total income from all sources. Expenses. Identify cuts. Progress towards 6-month runway. Which streams are growing or declining. Adjust strategy. This prevents disasters before they happen. Let's make this practical. Here's your step-by-step. Days 0 to 30. Foundation. Choose your skill. Complete the acceleration program. Land your first 3 to 5 clients. Build basic systems. Target, first 1,000 to 2,000. Days 31 to 60. Stabilization. Increase your rates by 25%. Implement retention system. Refine based on experience. Build your runway. Target, 2,000 to 4,000. Days 61 to 90. Optimization. Add your second income stream. Start productizing. Outsource your first task. Double down on what works. Target, 4,000 plus and climbing. This isn't hypothetical. This is the exact path I used to stop the income roller coaster. It works if you work it. 3 pillars. Skills that the market pays for reliably. Systems that turn effort into predictable results. Sustainability that protects what you build. Most people will watch this, feel inspired for 48 hours, and return to their old patterns. They'll be in the same place a year from now. A small group will take this seriously. They'll choose their skill this week. They'll build their first system this month. They'll commit to 90 days and refuse to quit. Which group are you in? If you're serious about building consistent income with me, type consistent in the comments right now and subscribe. I'm making this a series. Parts 2 and 3 go even deeper into the systems and scaling. Drop that comment. Hit subscribe. Let's build this together. Post-production notes, music cues, track style, and timing for the final mix. Clean, consistent, and subtle, matching the motivational corporate vibe. Editor board overview. Shots, transitions, and B-roll sequenced for smooth flow and zero dead air. Pinned comment template on screen. Copy it, paste it, and invite viewers to type consistent and subscribe so they catch parts 2 and 3. Community post preview. Bold summary, thumbnail, and link to part 1, scheduled for tomorrow to keep momentum and engagement high. If your income is random, you don't have a money problem. You have a system problem. Most people chase opportunities. The top 3% build machines. I had months where income doubled, then the next month it dropped by half. The shift happened When I stopped grinding harder and started building systems, skills, systems, sustainability. That's it. Full breakdown on my channel, link in bio. The one habit that stopped my income roller coaster, 5 hours per week dedicated to getting new clients. No excuses, even when I'm busy, especially when I'm busy. Before this, good month, terrible month, repeat. After this, predictable income every single month. Most people only do client acquisition when they're desperate. That's why they're always desperate. 5 hours, every week, non-negotiable. What's your biggest client acquisition struggle? Comment below. I'm breaking down how to make money consistently in 3 parts. Part 1 just dropped. The 3-pillar framework. Skills that pay, systems that scale, sustainability that protects. Part 2. Coming soon. My exact client acquisition system. 5 hours a week that changed everything. Part 3. How to build your first passive income stream in 30 days. If you want to stop the income roller coaster and build with me, go watch part 1 now and type consistent in the comments. This is the series I wish I had when I started. Link in bio. Let's go. Thumbnail option. Host with steady income graph. Clear, confident, consistent. Calendar filled. No empty months. Consistency becomes normal. 3 pillars, 1 system. Skills, systems, sustainability.